We are Gainwell. Working shoulder to shoulder with our customers, day and night, 24/7. In line with our core value, we have always strived to come up with better and optimum services for our customers, because we sincerely believe that when we contribute to the growth of our customers, we also contribute towards the growth of our nation. India is growing exponentially. Northern India, in particular, is booming. And this fact drives us to think and do more for our esteemed customers based out there. With this thought predominant on our minds, we wanted to create a world-class customer experience center.
2 years ago, when CMD and I visited a vacant piece of land, a couple of trees, a few shrubs and a broken shed, there was just one idea in our mind: to urgently create a place where about 200 odd employees could be shifted. When we started thinking about it, we thought all of us are going to spend 1/3 of our life there. Should we be shut down behind walls during this 1/3 of our life? Or should each one of us, when we look outside the window, be able to see a green tree, a little bit of grass? Yes, we wanted to create a green building, a comfortable abode for employees, and thought of one man, that is Ashok Lal, who could help us with it.
As architects for the Unnati project, we are really very fortunate to be associated with a company that holds social and environmental responsibility as one of its primary values.
It required a lot of coordination between different services, including HVAC, electrical, plumbing, using some of the latest technologies in development.
We have done an investment of about $14 million in this facility. We are very happy at the launch of our Northern Integrated Facility, Unnati. We constructed it in about 18 months' time.
Unnati, a sign of prosperity, growth and better things to come. Unnati spreads across an area of 5.16 acres of land with 3 blocks and lush greenery with a little water body within. The administrative block or office block is built over an area of 40,000 square feet, which can accommodate more than 200 working professionals. The building is constructed in the state-of-the-art green building concept, which can utilize maximum sunlight with a garden on the roof.
With the help of solar, with the radiant cooling and the TRIC, this completes the green building concept.
The entire building is a testimony of modern facilities and amenities.
The facility has zero emission, zero waste and water discharge. It's significantly powered by solar power. So this reflects our commitment to sustainability.
The second block is the warehouse and workshop block, which is built over an area of more than 36,000 square feet. Within the warehouse area of 13,500 square feet, 10,000 square feet covered area has 2 level of storage facility of 30,000 line items. The workshop area of 23,000 square feet has component and machine repair shop, which is equipped with state-of-the-art infrastructure and equipments. The engine test facility has dynamometer having capacity of testing up to 1200 horsepower engine. This also has a capacity of 15 engines, 10 powertrain components and 2 machine rebuilds per month in a single shift operation.
We now have the capability to repair and maintain and overhaul from the small machine up to a 100-ton mining truck. To our customers, this means that they can get the second or perhaps the third life for their equipment under the CAT certified rebuild programs.
The last block is the Tulip Compression and Training Center, which has a facility to train our staff along with our customers, operators and engineers with hydraulic, electrical and operator simulators. In this facility, 3 compressors can be assembled and tested per month, which is fully equipped with gas compressors for both engine and electrical motor, driven for packaging and testing.
Unnati facility has been built around keeping the customer and the employees as the 2 focal points of attention.
Our northern region customers will gain substantially from this investment. Unnati will help us to reduce the time of repair as well as saving on the transportation cost.
This facility will surely add more wind power to our wings and help us in providing global experience to our customers.
I'm taking this opportunity to congratulate everybody who worked on the Unnati project, from the labourers all the way to our architects, because this was a feat which none of us thought could be achieved so soon.
With this facility, we will be able to attract the best of the talents in the country who will be giving their best in the system.
Unnati in the next 5 years would become an epitome of modern innovation, where its growth would become exponential.
As Unnati name suggests, it will bring the prosperity of its operation and certainly the commitment for bringing the excellence to its operation and increase the efficiency.
Unnati is a facility that all of us are proud of, and this is going to help us make future ready.
I am future ready.
I'm future ready.
We are future ready.
We are future